Hello and welcome to the first episode in our series on how to improve Australian productivity. We think this is one of the most critical issues facing the nation, but we also know innovative Australian companies are already solving many of our productivity problems. That's why we've launched Productivity Spectator. We want to bring you the best ideas that can directly apply to your business. Now, Australian fresh leaf herbs has a short history, but a remarkable one. Since it was started 5 years ago, it's grown almost 2,000%. It's picked up Coles and Woolworths as customers and earned its founder, Vydra, the title of Young Farmer of the Year. There are two important lessons from Vydra's story. First, by analysing the path from producer to consumer, he spotted a huge unfulfilled market need. Second, look at how technology completely changed the way this most traditional business, farming, picks, packs and ships its product.
My name's Vydra. I'm a herb farmer and a marketer of quality garnishing products. 4 years ago, I looked at a market that was highly fragmented and saw that there were a lot of suppliers, down from your mum and dad operations to a big vegetable grower that was growing herbs on the side. And I saw that there was an opportunity for a little bit of consolidation. So we looked at what the consumer wanted, and that was quality herb supply year round. Then we looked at what the retailer wanted, and that was to basically have such a little category for them, a niche product sorted out. Then we looked at what the wholesaler wanted, and the wholesaler didn't want to deal with little bunch lines and headaches like that. So we thought, all right, let's approach it like Coca-Cola or one of your other fast moving goods and say, let's send a rep out there, get to understand what the retailer wants, and then basically work backwards from the chain there. So then we went to the wholesaler and said, look, we're going to pack these orders for you. We're going to ship a pallet to you. You just need to distribute it and price it out. We're just in our cool room where we dispatch all our goods. And we found that we were using 5 different solutions to try to execute our strategy. So we thought, well, there's got to be a way to centralise all this. So what I did was I scoped out all our business process, and we developed this system, which is basically 100% cloud-based, and then bundled it all up in an easy-to-use package for my staff. Used the latest technology of iPad, thanks to Steve Jobs, and basically what this allows us to do is we can track our stock control, we can track our inventory, we can track we can pick and pack. Our customers can order online. Our suppliers can process their own invoices. Our suppliers can access their orders. Our salespeople can comment on the status of new customers, everything like that. And then with access to any browser or any internet touchpoint like iPhone, iPad, we can access our business critical data. We can pack about 10 times more than what we used to pack because we don't have to have a wall of papers with all our orders. The girls can pick up an iPad and access any order at any point and just pack it. The business owner and the entrepreneur have got all the vision. Up until recently, it's been really hard to enter the technology market without having millions of dollars behind you. And I think the opportunity now lies in businesses to bring their ideas to the forefront and then have the platforms to execute their visions. And I think what you're going to see over the next 5 years is some innovation that we haven't seen this century yet, because there's just an access point that's economically and commercially viable.